Meanwhile, Twitter employees are waking up to company emails telling them whether they still have their job after Elon Musk took over the company. Musk is reportedly looking to cut up to half of Twitter's workforce. Twitter said in an email to employees that the layoffs are being done, quote, in an effort to place Twitter on a healthy path. Former and current Twitter workers have now filed a lawsuit against the company, alleging Twitter violated the law that requires a notice of 60 days before mass layoffs. Joining us now is NBC's Jacob Ward in San Francisco. Jacob, good morning. What are you learning about these layoffs today?
Well, Jose, good morning. As you mentioned, Twitter employees here in San Francisco and all across the world are over their morning coffee checking to see whether they have a job at this hour. As of this week, we knew that rumors had been persisting that Elon Musk planned to lay off perhaps as much as half of the workforce of Twitter. And as of yesterday, NBC had seen an email that went out to employees informing them that they should essentially check their email this morning, figure out whether they've either been locked out or perhaps even receive notice at personal emails that they would be laid off. This, of course, comes at a time when Twitter is going to be one of the main avenues of disinformation and misinformation going into the midterm elections. And so we're seeing report after report, in some cases on Twitter itself, from employees in groups like an algorithmic transparency research group, one that basically looks into the ways in which algorithms can amplify things like disinformation to say our entire team has been laid off. And so we know at this hour that there is an enormous amount of blood on the floor at Twitter. We also know, as you mentioned, that there is now a lawsuit in the works against Twitter. It's been filed on behalf of 5 Twitter employees, 4 of them here in San Francisco and 1 in Massachusetts, basically saying that you cannot lay people off, pointing out that according to federal law, if a company is larger than 100 employees, it needs to give everyone 60 days notice before it can lay them off. There are, of course, even more stringent penalties for that kind of layoff without warning in other countries, such as the United Kingdom, where you can owe days and even weeks of severance on top of any other fines that can be imposed. That said, at this hour, Elon Musk seems to be aware of those laws. In one mocking tweet, he acknowledged those laws when they were pointed out by a labor lawyer posting on the platform, so he does not seem unaware of it. And so we're seeing, again, enormous layoffs at Twitter this morning and the possibility of legal action coming up on the heels of that, Jose.